Hi, I'm Kayla, and first of all, thanks for signing up with Marketsz. We are super excited to start getting your packages delivered right to your door in the Caribbean. Because we are so glad that you're here, we're giving you a 10% discount on all of your packages for your first ship request. And to help you learn how to use our dashboard and get your packages within your suite delivered right to your doorstep on your island, we prepared this master how-to guide that shows you from A to Z everything that you need to know on how to shop and ship with Marketsz. Click on the Learn More link down below to watch the tutorial how-to videos now. And if you need help at any time, our live support agents will be there to help you along the way. We can't wait to start shipping your packages right to your door in the Caribbean. Thanks again for signing up with Marketsz.